Hi everyone, my name is Amir and today I will be providing you an overview of the Postman Enterprise Platform and how it helps you overcome common challenges in the retail industry. Let's start with some of the common pain points we hear, which are usually centered around old legacy systems that are neither flexible and extensible nor compatible with modern technology. Apart from this, we hear about the lack of tools available that can meet the requirements of the modern retail environment, which is often dynamic and focused on fast return. Another concern we hear from the retail industry is about privacy and security vulnerabilities that can violate security compliance policies and negatively impact data privacy. Legacy systems are usually set up as a monolithic architecture, but recently there's been a sea change underway in how retailers are thinking about technology solutions. Retailers today are highly focused on fast return, and this is most easily accomplished by reducing the scope of the problem at hand. With the advent of microservices, a lot of organizations in the retail industry are moving towards microservice architectures. This allows them to focus on the narrow scope of a particular business need and shorten the time to implementation. What we notice very quickly is that microservices provide instant extensibility, and due to the insular nature of services, it enables rapid adaptability to changing business needs. And when we speak about microservices and the need of interoperability between small point systems, we need the functionality of APIs to facilitate it. And to build APIs quickly, our focus should be around reducing the problems of complexity that we encountered with legacy systems and work towards streamlining the process of building, delivering, and consuming APIs that are extensible and interoperable. In order to build APIs of high quality and ensure that APIs do not require unplanned changes, we need to establish standardization of processes for code quality checks and track the API to ensure that it is highly performant and available. In order to enforce strong governance, we would also need to ensure that we are able to enforce control on the access and visibility of API assets and apply organizational standards to fulfill operational SLAs and meet security compliance guidelines. Let's take a look at how we can leverage the Postman Enterprise API platform to achieve these desired outcomes. As you log into the Postman application, you are taken to the home screen where you find some useful information around how you and your team can get started with Postman. By navigating to the private API network, you can gain access to the APIs that have been cataloged and published by the API producers in your organization. This allows you to search for the relevant APIs, quickly learn about the different API assets that are linked to the API, and you can also start consuming and contributing to the API assets in quick time. This significantly reduces API onboarding time, removes the possibility of teams losing time, duplicating work due to API assets not being available and up to date in a central source of truth. This also reduces the complexity of having to leverage multiple tools to gain access to API assets that are up to date. Let's take a look at how you can reduce complexity further. While Postman provides workspaces, which serves as a central source of truth for all APIs across the API lifecycle, where cross-functional team members can collaborate and coordinate tasks with each other in order to build APIs quickly. We often see that a workspace may be set up for each service, a set of related services depending on scale. Postman enables you to change the visibility of your API assets depending on your requirements. So if you require your API assets to be visible only to the team members that you explicitly invited to the workspace, you can change visibility to private. Or you can expose your API assets to the rest of the team or for global or community consumption depending on your needs. Postman not only reduces complexity, but also reduces the need for a suite of tools and interconnected processes across the lifecycle. So when you navigate to the API tab, you can see that Postman enables you to move through the different stages of the API lifecycle from design, development, testing, and delivery on a single tool. As a central source of truth for all APIs, Postman enables you to collaborate on APIs with your team members and allows you to communicate with the relevant stakeholders to clarify your questions around the API and gain a shared understanding of the API to ensure that the API design conforms to business requirements and the API is of high quality. Postman also prevents critical stages of the API lifecycle from being blocked and enables you to virtualize APIs from design using mock servers, which reduces speed to market and allows teams to share relevant feedback before API implementation, which can potentially improve API quality. And to ensure that onboarding API consumers to APIs is not a tedious process and it is delivered Postman enables you to generate and update API documentation which is readable and easy to consume. This helps all the API consumers gain a shared understanding of the API and improves the productivity of the API consumers. Postman also enables you to build out test suites for unit and integration testing, which will allow you to validate and assert on the characteristics and boundaries of the API, which ensures that APIs are performant, available, and have not diverged from the API contract. Postman also helps you ensure the ongoing availability and performance of your public APIs using scheduled test runs of a Postman collection. Apart from this, Postman also enables you to govern your API assets and prevent them from undergoing any uncontrolled changes by allowing you to enforce control on the level of access for each user and group who may be contributing to API assets by leveraging the out-of-the-box role-based access control available on Postman. As businesses undergo transformations from monolithic to microservice architectures, API last to API first, Postman helps you identify the problems and track progress by providing a view of the team's activities and the maturity of the APIs early and continuously. The reporting capabilities available on Postman helps you uncover trends and identify APIs which require your attention. This lends itself to reducing the time lost trying to uncover problems and achieving maturity, as well as uncovering any privacy and security vulnerabilities that require attention. So, this is a short look into how we can overcome common retail challenges while producing and consuming APIs on the Postman Enterprise API platform, which enables you to improve your productivity, quality, and governance across the API lifecycle.